Y'all come eat mostly Mediterranean diet with us. Welcome to Life with Pip'nTyne. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We just wanted to let y'all know how we eat during the week. Weekends we try to enjoy ourselves a little bit. Now during the week we're trying to stick as close to this Mediterranean diet as possible, but we're not committing to nothing.
We call it mostly Mediterranean.
Mostly Mediterranean, yeah. And although we would love to have bacon wrapped honey buns, and of course it looks like I eat bacon wrapped honey buns every day, but I don't. So anyhow, we're trying to do something there. Right here we have some chicken and rice, which is brown rice. Mm-hmm. And is this jalapenos in here or green peppers?
It's bell pepper, celery, onions, chicken pieces cooked in olive oil and some seasonings, and then a whole wheat sauce. So
yeah, it's good. It is really good, and it's not real expensive. The chicken is the most expensive thing in there.
Yeah.
But and how much is this rice stuff? Is the rice very expensive?
Golly, the rice is like for a ginormous amount, like $1.50.
Cool.
So
it's not bad. It's really not bad. We had some spaghetti, turkey spaghetti, for Monday and Tuesday, and it's some whole grain type of noodles or something. And,
yeah.
And so we'll just eat leftovers, and that's how we do it. And salad and that kind of thing. So, but the weekends we do have fun.
And we're going to show you in this video a little bit of kind of our typical weekday stuff, our mostly Mediterranean. And then, of course, y'all see all the fun stuff we cook and try on the weekends.
Yeah.
However, most of that winds up in our deep freeze because we can't finish it.
We can't eat it all by Sunday, so we're not going to waste it. So.
Yeah. So there you go. So I hope y'all enjoy. If it's kind of going to be just a quick video, but if y'all like any of the stuff and want more information on it, just comment down below.
Absolutely. We can get you recipes, whatever we can do to try to help you out, we'll do.
Okay, this is my normal morning breakfast. And it's a cup of coffee. So in my favorite little mug there. Look at that. And so I'll pour me a cup with, got Mike's old bun Pour-O-Matic. And this thing is awesome. I don't know how old it is, but it's awesome. And so different days I do different things. I got my coconut, my vanilla, my French vanilla. Sometimes I'll just do regular creamer, which we have in here, and a teaspoon of sugar, just whatever. So this isn't like the healthiest breakfast, but I do better if I start off with only coffee during the day. So today, I'm going to just put some of this in there and make it simple. And that's my breakfast, and then I usually eat lunch kind of early at about 11 or 11:30, so there you go. Okay, this is for Mike's breakfast. Let me turn this light on here. Okay, this is what I've been doing for Mike's breakfast, so that he has some whole grains and stuff. I got a little bit of jalapeno and tomato in there and a slice of turkey breast cut up. And I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on it. This is my my fake bacon technique. A little bit of olive oil. I've got this smoked paprika I'm getting open over here. So this is what gives it the smoky flavor. I put a decent amount of that on there. And let me grab this salt over here. Put a little bit of salt on it. And then I just cook it up till it's crisp. And after, that was bad filming. Okay, cook it up till it's crisp. And then what I do is cook a couple of eggs in here. Put it in a whole grain tortilla. And it's been pretty yummy to him, so I'll show you when we get the eggs in here. Okay, this is after I kind of get it crisped up. And then I'm going to take it out of the pan and stick those onions, stick those couple eggs in here. Okay, folks, we got these eggs cooked up in the same pan that we cooked the bacon in. And over here I've got the whole grain tortilla in the baked bacon, veggies, and a little bit of mozzarella. We're going to throw those eggs on top, roll it up, and put it in some tin foil. Throw it in his lunchbox for tomorrow. Okay, this is a typical lunch for me on the weekdays. I've got this Simply Campbell's chicken noodle soup and a good source of protein. I put a little, soup it up a little, cayenne pepper, minced onions, some bouillon, mixed vegetables, and sometimes a little extra water. So I'll show you how I make it. Okay, we got our soup in here. And a little cayenne. I like some spice in my stuff usually. Come on. Sometimes I'll use those red pepper flakes too. And some minced onion. Ooh, I almost threw those out of there. And mixed vegetables. And let me grab a spoon, because I dropped mine on the floor. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of this bouillon powder. And grab me a little extra water. And it's filled to the brim and ready for lunch. I'm going to stick this in the microwave. Okay, here we got it all warmed up. And this is pretty good lunch. And I love the extra vegetables in it, believe it or not. It's one of my favorite parts. And then one time I found some mixed vegetables with okra in it. And I thought I wasn't going to like that, and I loved the okra. So anyway, it's a good, inexpensive, handy lunch to make. So give it a try if you want. Souped up soup. Okay, and I'm making Mike's lunch for tomorrow. We've got some whole grain bread and some olive oil mayo. Oh, and I put quite a bit of, let me turn the slide on. Okay, and I put quite a bit of black pepper, because that's the way he likes it. And then he doesn't like a whole lot of veggies on it because he drives for a living and everything can fall off. But this lettuce will stick to the mayonnaise good enough. So we're going to put a little bit of lettuce on there. Then we're going to put on some turkey breast. And pile that up kind of good. And we got to go easy on the cheese, so I've got some mozzarella here. We'll put a couple of those on there. And I'll show you when it's all put together. Okay, we got that sandwich all made and in his little lunchbox. And then I just put these carrots all the way around the sides, so he can munch on them as well. There you go. A healthy lunch. Okay, for tonight's dinner, we're making some healthier spaghetti. We've got some whole wheat pasta. We've got some, of course, spaghetti sauce and some lean turkey meat. So I've added a little bit of garlic to it. I'm about to add some more. And gonna add some salt and pepper. I'll go ahead and do that. And pepper. And then we're going to let that garlic cook down, and I'll add the tomato sauce. It's smelling good already. You can't go wrong with garlic, cooking garlic. And I'll take you along as I finish up. Just be a quick little cooking video tonight. Okay, we're back to our turkey over here. I got that garlic cooked a little bit. And to that, I'm going to add some onion powder. If I can open the right side. Onion powder. And some Italian seasoning. And not too much because that can get a little much for me. And some garlic powder. Hang on, I gotta find what I did with it. I set it aside. Hold on. Okay, and we got some garlic powder here. And then I've just got the canned pasta sauce. And so we're going to do 3 cans of those, plus I have a jar of marinara sauce, so we're going to make it work. And might seem weird, but we do diced tomatoes and green chilies in our tomato and lasagna sauces because I guess New Mexico. Mom started doing it years ago and we all liked it, so we're going to add that in there. And we're going to throw on some whole wheat noodles to boil here in just a second. And green beans, make that salad. And I'll let you see it all plated up. Okay, I'm making a Mediterranean approved salad dressing for tonight. And so already in the bowl I've got a teaspoon of honey, a clove of garlic minced up, a half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a quarter teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano, and can't see it in there, but it's a half a teaspoon of salt. And so to that, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of lemon juice and a half a cup of olive oil. We're going to get that stirred up good together, and we're going to put that over our salad and see if we like it tonight. I'll let you know what we think since this is a first-time recipe. Okay, we're going to throw in a family-sized can of these green beans. We're going to season with, I'll throw a little bit of everything in there. I put a little smoked paprika because, you know, people from the South like a little bit of bacon grease in theirs, but obviously we're not doing that right now. And so, throw in a little smoked paprika because it gives it that smoky flavor. Salt, pepper, onion powder, and a little bit of olive oil, and that'll finish off our green beans. And then we've got these whole wheat noodles. This water's pretty hot. We're going to go ahead and throw those in. Woo! Get them on going, and we'll be done before we know it, and we'll get it plated up and see if we like it. Okay, folks, if that doesn't look yummy to be healthy, I don't know what does. We'll see, do a taste test here in a minute. Or, well, I'll just go ahead and taste it. Let me see. I'll try the whole wheat noodles and the spaghetti sauce. Good. Let me see if the green beans have any kind of a bacon flavor. Ooh, making a mess. Ooh, those green beans are good. That turned out good. The smoked paprika gave it kind of a bacon flavor. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Salad dressing. I couldn't think of the word. Oh, that's actually not bad. Would we rather have ranch? Yes. But that's not bad for a healthy dressing at all. So if Mike feels like trying it since he's a little under the weather, we'll get him in here and let him try it. Okay, I put our salad dressing we made in a jar so I could shake it up. And I will say, for our taste, that was about 9,000 times too much lemon juice for us. And I love lemon juice. So I kind of tweaked it a little, poured some of it out and added some more seasoning, some garlic powder, some more salt, a little more olive oil. So we're going to pour it on the salad and we'll see what we think here in a minute.
Hello guys, thanks for stopping by, and I'm going to try out this here Mediterranean spaghetti salad green bean stuff going on here.
It looks Italian, but the ingredients follow the Mediterranean diet.
All right, here we go.
Are those green beans better?
Those green beans are good.
Okay.
They're good. I'm going to give it a bite just to make sure.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Good.
Just getting some of that spaghetti sauce running over there on them, and that makes them good too.
That's not bad.
Never
Do
mind.
you taste, I know you're a little under the weather, but do you taste the smoky flavor? Kind of a little bit of a bacon grease flavor, maybe?
Not really.
Not really, okay.
No, but my taster's gotten off a little bit.
Yeah.
So.
I could taste it. It was better than I've been making them, so.
That's good. That's real good. I like that. And now we're gonna try this salad.
This is a new try for both of us with this homemade dressing. What do you think? It's lemony, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It ain't ranch dressing, guys. But hey, for something to go on there, it's not bad. It's not bad.
Okay.
It's not bad.
To follow what we're doing during the week, it'll do.
Go along with what we're trying to accomplish during the week. It's going to work just fine.
It's called It'll Do dressing.
It'll do. It'll do, donkey. It'll do.
But yeah, I think it's pretty good. So anyway, guys, there's basically a day in our healthier eating. We do this through the week. If we make something fun on the weekends, we're gonna try it.
That's right.
But we do this most of the time. Oh, and we snack on like pistachios, pecans, peanuts, that kind of stuff. So
that's right. Yeah.
If we want a snack. So, okay, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share it out if you want to.
Thanks for coming by. We appreciate each and every one of y'all.
We do. God bless you guys.
Stay safe.
Bye-bye.